Afternoon. This video documentation in regards to the return E39 headlight side. This is actually the passenger right side. I understand you had a two-part report of your concern. One dealing with the angular ring over the high beam. Also, being the HID component, the low beam doesn't want to turn on. I understand you cross-reference to confirm it is indeed the ballast that has failed. So I'm actually taking the time because I have a bench testing unit to kind of recap in regards to the report that I received and what I see on hand. So starting off actually with the low beam connections, I actually have a 12-volt power supply on hand that I'll be using. Making sure that the polarities are correct and aligned. So I have the polarity correct on this side because I noticed that you disconnected the ballast. So I'm going to go ahead and bench test it, which I'm assuming that the low beam won't fire upon start. So starting. Alright, you hear the frequency made by the power supply unit. I don't see any low beam lighting up. So first thing I'm going to do, go ahead and do is swap the ballast out for a brand new one. Please keep in mind, the HID warranty is actually only for 1 year. You're pretty much skating right around it. I'll go ahead and replace the HID ballast as courtesy this time, being the case that we were still in communication when you reported the HID concern. So I have a brand new HID ballast right here. I'll go ahead and connect, make sure they got the polarity correct. Alright. So with this being connected, this should fire up with no issue right now. So as you can see from the output on the bottom, the replacement ballast did resolve this issue. So I'll go ahead and test the ballast one more time before shipping out, of course, the rear return headlight that's been addressed. However, moving on to the angel eyes. Right off the bat, when I pulled out the angelized LED driver, I've noticed actually you had an exposed wire, which I'm assuming that the concern that you've been reporting might have been related into in regards to a connectivity issue between the connector and its wires. How I know this is when I tested the lights and I was shaking these wires, I've seen actually the angel ring light up, which tells me the ring is good. Sorry, powering up the wrong spot. So go ahead and move my power supply lines to the OEM angel eye connector. Making sure I got the polarities correct. Alright, there we go. So powering up one more time. You'll see your reported issue initially is indeed true. This ring doesn't want to turn on over the high beam. However, watch me shake this LED driver and the wires that's connected to it. You can see that it is working, which leads to me believe that this is due to a connectivity concern. What I'm actually going to do to address this is actually have our warehouse staff redo the connector that goes into it. Pretty much they have salvageable connectors for this, which they'll be pretty much chopping the salvage connectors from it, resoldering it to your rings that's existing inside so that you have proper contact with the proper contacts being made. This way, we'll test it one more time with the LED driver, making sure that the LED driver is not the concern. So once pretty much the salvaged wires have been replaced for this existing wires that you in the return headlights, and we confirm that it does bench test without any units, even us tugging on it. Pretty much that will be a conclusive report that it was due to a wire connectivity concern between the connectors to the drivers. So in itself, I'm following up with a report with you that we will be addressing the connectivity concerns with the angel eyes, also replacing a ballast for a brand new ballast, which I've shown you on hand right now. Thank you so much for your time.